farms, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel. So today I will be teaching you how to use your V8 Finder Pro 2. How to use it. It's more advanced than your V8 Finder 2. These two finders are different, and this one is more advanced than the one. So I'll be teaching you how to use it. So the first step we're going to do, we're going to see the access keys of your V8 Finder 2 Pro. I'm going to show the access keys inside this finder. So cameraman, please come closer. Let's see the access keys. So this is the rope of the back. You can adapt and put on the neck. This is the rope. Now let's see the access key. This one is the AV port. This is the AV port. Let me remove the back from the satellite finder and scan the satellite finder. Now this is the AV port. This AV port needs, you connect this AV port to your decoder and connect it here to your AV in. Now this AV port is for, like, let's say you are doing installation in somebody's house and you want to scan something or do something on the decoder, manipulate, and you don't want the person to see. Use this cable, connect it to the AV port, in the decoder, and connect this to your in. So this is the AV port. We also have this one is the for your security camera, to install your security camera. This is the for the camera port that powers the camera. So you need to connect this to the DC12 port, which this is it. Connect it here, and this one is going to power your digital camera, which is your antenna, which is your HD camera. So this is for it. We also have the connectors. This one you connect it to your LMB. Let's put it here. This to the LMB. We also have another one. It comes to, this is the adapter to charge the V8 Finder. So we'll see now the functions of this satellite finder. So just stay tuned. So the advantages of this satellite finder. This satellite finder is a 3-in-1 satellite finder. It has 3 main functions, which this one does not have. So now this one is used to track your signals for your satellite dish, for your LMB in satellite dish. It's also used for your terrestrial antenna in, and it's also used for digital cameras, which is your HD port. This is it. So it's used for 1, to track satellite dish signals, 2, your terrestrial signals, and 3, your CCTV camera. 3-in-1. So we are going to on the satellite finder and to see the functions of this and how to use it properly. So let me turn on the satellite finder. It comes on and goes to your DVD to the LMB position, to the LMB side. Now if you want to install your CCTV camera, you click on AHD. It goes to CCTV cameras section. You just plug your CCTV camera here. You connect. It will display here. Same if you want to connect your decoder to your satellite finder. You want your satellite screen. It should be like the main screen. You take the AV in. So that is it. But our main focus is the DVD. So you are in here. So I already scanned some channels here. We need to check the functions of this. So let's go to the menu. We have satellite, we have terrestrial, we have cable, spectrum, we have loop search, calculate, orders, and system. That is system settings. Now before I want to proceed, I did a previous video on this, how to manipulate this. You see the functions and how to use it very well. So just get back to that video and it's going to help you. Enter into your satellite. This satellite is where you do your configuration to track your channels. When you enter satellite, what do you see? You have the satellite name, LMB frequency, frequency channel, frequency, symbol rate, polarization, DSEC 1.0, DSEC 1.1, 22K audio, and motor setup. Yeah, so the previous video I did, this I already explained this, so no need to still do the explanation. Let's go again. Now, what me I used to do, I used to enter in my order. I used to take order and select satellite list. That's where I used to do my configuration. So you see the satellite here, UTS 16A. You see the angle, and you can configure some stuff here. At least it's user friendly. Now we have also calculate. I did this thing on this format satellite calculate. You can impute the latitude, which is in this position, and it shows you the elevation and the azimuth. Yeah, it shows you the way you can elevate the dish. So that is on calculate. Now for loop. Now I loop, if you select satellite, concerning the loop, you can decide to put different frequencies here, and you use your loop to work. Like here, I can enter, I'll select Eutelsat. Eutelsat 16. Select it, and the frequency. I can select any frequency from this. Let me choose one important frequency. You can select any frequency that you wish to be working with the frequency. Like this, after selecting, you save. Use yellow to save. It saves. So the loop search is also important, very important. We also have where we can edit channels. Where to edit channels, you go to your order and you take TV these channels. This is it. You will see a satellite here. We also have some things here, very important things. To hide a channel, you press info. It hides that channel. Spectrum is your favorite. To put that channel for your favorite. To lock the channel is red. To skip is green. To move is yellow. And to edit is blue. Edit, we also have sort channels. You have to rename, you have to edit, which this edit also you can edit. You press the edit. Okay, so I want to show that two ways to do a blind scan here. But one of the ways, you can be scanning here and you are getting FTA and scramble check at the same time. So the way I used to do my own scanning, if you enter your satellite here and you want to scan, you want to blind scan. It's going to blind scan, but this one is blind scanning. The F is blind scanning FTA only. No, this one is FTA only. No, that means it blind scans the scramble Chinese and the free-to-air Chinese. But the real scan, the real scan here is the real scan is now into the other. You take your satellite. After satellite, you take your scan from here. When you have selected the satellite, then you see this thing is going to pop up where the active FTA only. Yes. And if you select multiple satellites, they are going to ask you if you want to do multiple scan. So you can move from multiple to single. Then bam, blind scan. You now blind scan. This is a real way that I use to blind scan. So this one is different from this. The way this one is displaying this one interface is different from this. So look, very different. Now let's go to terrestrial. This terrestrial is terrestrial antenna. You select the country here. Then you input the frequency here. The band terrestrial. Many functions. Terrestrial, we also have cable. We also have spectrum. Spectrum, select your satellite. This is a graph of that satellite. If you track a particular channel, it shows you the waves, it shows you the frequency. They vary between the signal and the frequency. So, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video, like this video and comment what you have not understood from this video. Comment on the comment section and I'm going to answer you. Then don't forget, if you are not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.